Hello traders, in this video we are going to be taking a look at the Yukon EA for MT5. This automated trading system has been getting some attention and I'm excited to share my test results. So let's go through the developer's claims, the strategy and what the backtest actually showed. But before we get into it, you can download the free Forex toolbox for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get back to it. As we can see on the MQL5 page, the Yukon EA is a fully automated expert advisor designed for MT5, and it's sold for 499 US dollars. All right, so it uses a combination of technical analysis, price action, and algorithmic logic to identify trading opportunities across different market conditions. So as you can see here, the developer says it runs 3 engines on XAUSD under one market state layer. So every day, the EA reads the gold markets, identifies the market states, the trend, transition, range, volatility, and lets each engine trade only when the state favors it. So the original grid, a hierarchical pattern, long and a pattern short, each switchable on or off, built around the hard equity cap, live USD news protection, weekend flat positions, and linear exposure in straight steps. So he claims it's a good EA you can actually leave running. And he says, based on his back test, he had 132% net profits over 17 months of real tick validation at 8% maximum drawdown. All right. So you've seen the developer's claims. He emphasizes reliable performance with controlled risks. It's suitable for various pairs. There are many EAs like this perform best on majors or specific volatile instruments. Backtests are usually presented with good modeling quality over long periods, so it's good to take these claims over here with a pinch of salt. Right. As for the features, the key features include automated entry and exit logic, dynamic lot sizing based on account risks, stop loss and take profit management, and possibly trailing stops or break-even functions. The inputs allow customization of risk percentage, magic number, trading hours, and specific filters. It's designed to be user-friendly with sensible default settings while giving advanced users room to operate and optimize the EA as well. So the EA aims for a balance between profitability and drawdown control, making it appealing for both conservative and growth-oriented traders. All right. So let's take a look at some of the developers' results. So we have. Okay, so basically what we have here is how the EA looks. Some of the customizable parameters, as you can see here, we have the inputs in the screenshots. Okay, we have more of that. You can see how it appears in a panel on the main chart. And we just have similar screenshots like this going on and on. So let's quickly run this through my own personal backtest. So we see how it actually held up when put through real trading conditions or live trading conditions. Just head over to MQL5, our MetaTrader platform. And I was opportune to test this on the XAUSD as recommended by the developer on the M5 timeframe for the custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at my results on a 10K account, the equity curve shows solid upward growth with some healthy pullbacks that recovered well. Deposit load indicates consistent trading activity without excessive exposure. As for the stats, strong net profits of over $7,087, a profit factor of 1.68, recovery factor of 6.44, and very good Sharpe ratio of 7.16. Equity drawdown max was 7.73%, and the balance drawdown was 4.5%. So compared to typical claims for these systems, the results are actually encouraging. Good profits with drawdowns that most traders would find manageable. The system seems to handle both trending and corrective phases reasonably well. But the thing is, while this test looks strong, past performance isn't a guarantee, especially in changing market conditions. Honestly, the features that matter most, as you can see on the side, features that matter most are proper risk specific settings, using recommended pairs and timeframes, and letting the EA run with minimal interference. The algorithmic logic appears effective based on this data. So the nuances, implications, and hidden risks. Live trading can introduce slippage, spreads, and news events that affect results. Broker execution quality is important. Conflicting risks exist, so forward testing on them is crucial. In practice, start with conservative risks and monitor during high impact news. So, who is it for? This is for traders looking for a balanced automated system with strong risk adjusted returns. Ideal if you have a decent account size and prefer set and forget with occasional checks. You should avoid this EA if you're a complete beginner without any trading knowledge, want extreme aggressive gains, or can't commit to proper risk management. So overall, Yukon EA MT5 showed excellent results in my tests with solid growth and controlled drawdowns. At its price point, it's definitely worth testing on demo with your broker. Promising EA, but always verify yourself. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which one to test next. Got that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.